Thank you very much, Sumit. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The winter session ending tomorrow, a 15-day truncated session which the opposition repeatedly dismissed as proof that is the government had no business to conduct. But clearly there was business, and there have been bills that have been transacted. The facts clearly different from what the opposition had felt. In just 14 days, Parliament has debated 150 years of Vande Mataram, electoral reforms, and key legislations like VB, G as it is now being called, the issue that has led to a lot of problems on the ground and a log jam, but also on rural employment, to Sabka Bima, Sabki Raksha on insurance, and the Shanti nuclear energy bill opening the sector to privatization. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the government's work report card. In keeping with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call to focus on delivery and not drama, have we seen drama on the floor of the House, or have we seen delivery? Have we seen continued confrontations, or was there lot of business that was transacted and apprehensions that were addressed, even between walkouts and protests at what is now the very, very iconic Makar Dwar of the Parliament? Just the pattern is familiar. Demand a debate, walk out. Is there a solution to all of this? Well, we don't know. We will find out. And during the course of the next 45 minutes, I have with me members of Parliament who are currently in Parliament and those who have experience of Parliament. But let me open this up and introduce my guests tonight. Joining me this evening is Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao, former Member of Parliament representing the BJP, Anand Dubeji, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray Group. Also joining me is a very, very iconic Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament, Sushmita Dev, who I've known since she first became a parliamentarian. In fact, it just, Sushmita ji, gives me a sense of how old I am, because I've also covered your father when he was a Member of Parliament and a Minister. To my left, Udit Raj ji, former Member of Parliament from the Congress Party, extremely vociferous, has a great world view and a view on the BJP that we get to hear very often. To his left, Kani Mori ji, she is a Member of Parliament of the DMK, a state that's going to polls very shortly with Bengal. And to her left, Rajiv Rai ji, Member of Parliament from the Samajwadi Party. You've seen, ladies and gentlemen, as I introduce the panel, the battle lines are drawn. GVL Narasimha Rao, may the best team win. You are 1 versus 5 from the opposition. I want to begin asking, let's begin with the ladies first. So Sushmita Dev, every time it is said that Parliament will be something that members of Parliament need to go to actually represent their issues. But what we do see on the ground is you ask for a debate on electoral reforms, but there is a walkout that happens when the response is coming. Is there a breakdown in communication? When the government accedes to a debate, the opposition is unwilling to hear the answers.
No, I'll tell you something, that the entire reason we meet 3 times a year in Parliament is for policy making and debating on issues that are ailing the people, which needs reform or policy making. Now, to some extent, it is definitely adversarial, although we may have a consensus on which topic we are going to debate, but the stand of the government doesn't always necessarily be the same as ours, and that's where it becomes adversarial. In this session, for instance, we were demanding that we have to have a debate on electoral reforms, election reforms. So the quid pro quo, the government says, then you have to debate Vande Mataram. So we said, okay. Then the strange part is that you said, why do we walk out? Why is it adversarial? You see, we had ample time. We had 3 weeks time in the winter session. But in the last week, the government decides to bring the 3 big bang bills which you mentioned at the beginning of your thing. So these are small tricks which do not serve the purpose of democracy. We have no problem sitting in parliament till 2 in the morning. Yesterday Lok Sabha was there till 2 a.m. So one shouldn't always highlight the walking out part. One should also highlight the fact that till 2 a.m. we are there. But I do feel if you, as you yourself said, you've been watching politics for so long, if you do a simple analysis of the kind of legislative business that happened when before BJP and during the BJP tenure, you will see that legislative business is at its dismal under the NDA government.
Well, you call the bill, I assume you're referring to the Manrega rechristened as the Viksit Bharat Ji Ram Ji bill. That is where the allergy comes from, and you say that it is a very small bill. GVL Narasimha Rao, choti baat hai.
First of all, I'm really shocked to hear from Sushmita ji, a very able parliamentarian, that they find discussion on, that they seem to have felt the pain to discuss Vande Mataram. When the government proposed, we would like to discuss, we would like to have a debate on celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram, the entire opposition should have welcomed it. She says it's a trade-off that we had to agree to, as if this was thrust on them and they never wanted it. I think it's very unfortunate, and I hope she would like to at least reverse that observation that she made. And I'm very happy as a former member that we have a session which is very productive. I have not seen during this 18 days, the session has never been completely washed out, not a day. In the last, I think after we came back to power in 2024, after Modi ji became third time PM, practically every session has been a washout. This session, I think it functioned not because they all wanted to discuss, debate, which we have always been urging them to do, but it's a washout in Bihar, which has compelled them to really sit and debate. Otherwise, people of the country will not tolerate the intolerance. I think this is what put some sense into the opposition camp. We are happy that the House functioned. And there is enough time allotted to every bill to discuss. And let's say, for example, electoral reforms is something that they wanted to prioritize, and therefore it was discussed in the very first few days of the session. Now you have a complaint that why was this bill, wage employment insurance bill, why were it not discussed in the first week? I think you cannot have it both ways. You wanted a debate on electoral reforms, and government satisfied you and brought the government's business back on the agenda in the third week. I think if you have any objections, I think this is the way to do it. Like you said, in a debate, they take their time, they make all their sniping remarks, and they want to run away when it comes to hearing the minister speak in response to their observations during the debate. I think this intolerance is not part of parliamentary decorum. When you have your right to speak against the government or highlight issues, you also ought to take the responsibility to listen to what the government has to say. It cannot be my way or highway.
Absolutely well said. And Udit Raji, would you agree with that? You asked for a debate. वोट चोरी पर आपको डिबेट चाहिए थी, वो इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स का शेप दिया उसको और वो डिबेट हुई. Everybody in the opposition got an opportunity to speak. When the response was being given by the Home Minister, the opposition walked out. Is that healthy democracy? Number one. Number two, ये जीराम जी बिल से इतना एलर्जी क्यों है? After all, Manrega, the name has been changed, but look at the content of the bill. Talk about delivery, not the drama. That's what the Prime Minister said on day one of the Parliament. But isn't it drama that we see on the floor of the House?
See, dear audience, you must be thinking sometime that what for Parliament is meant. Not only you, but countrymen. Why the issues which are quite relevant, like MSME, the way that it has been hit or rural distress, unemployment, why the capital is flying from India? Why such things are not being discussed in the parliament? Naturally, it's the expectation of the people. But that is not being fulfilled for a long time, say for a decade and two. I remember that when Congress was, UP was in power, some session used to be washed out. And the argument offered by BJP at that time used to, that it is the responsibility of the ruling party to manage the floor. Fine. And many sessions used to be washed. Now, ever since Modi ji has become Prime Minister, same thing is happening. Exceptions are there. And why exception is there? I'll also tell you about this. What GBL ji has said and Navika ji has said. Because they allowed SIR to be discussed. It was not a boycott. See, 3 pertinent questions were asked on electoral reforms. One, that the Supreme Court gave the judgment that election commission, the composition, selection of election commission would be by 3 participants, Chief Justice of India, Leader of Opposition, Prime Minister of India. And they changed. They brought new law that Leader of Opposition, Prime Minister, 1 minister. And of course, what happened? It's as good as nothing. Opposition doesn't have a say. On this, there was no answer.
I'm sorry, there was an answer.
No.
The answer was given.
No.
The position of the Supreme Court judgment was.
You are anchor here. He is to counter, not you are to anchor.
No, but
On facts I can. On facts I can.
Listen, then the election commissioner was protected that he can do any crime and get away with it. And in existing position, even after that also. That's why Gyanas Kumar is doing a crime. And coming to the very crucial point and focal points, that these answers were, the Home Minister did not answer this.
He
said that
gave
board
an elaborate answer.
No,
if you did not have the patience.
बोर्ड चोरी
See,
इंदिरा जी के समय में होता था, नेहरू जी के समय. Is the answer?
No, but a mirror has to be shown to you how election commissioners were appointed when you were in power.
I have not interrupted you. I have not interrupted you.
If you are brief,
Let me
then I
speak.
will
You
have
have
an
not
opportunity to
interrupted.
counter.
You don't have. You have
One at
not
a time.
interrupted. Coming to the Manrega, what you are going to do, the country will suffer. The whole country will pay the price. See, when you are going to reduce the buying power of rural people or common people, your economy will never be a large economy. And of course, few individuals will grow, like Adani and Ambani. But what happened? Common people, there will be much of inequality. India is now number one and number 2 country where inequality is the maximum. See what happened? Unless until you increase their buying power, what happened now? There is no legal binding to provide the employment. That was act, now it is a scheme. It's a scheme. And what happened? And 40% the expenses will be borne by state governments, and most of the state governments.
So why can't this be debated in the House?
It was.
Will walkout solve the problem is the question I'm asking you.
See,
because you have not debated the merits of the bill. What you have done is questioned the name of the bill. जीराम जी हमें नहीं चाहिए, बिल में क्या चेंजेस होने चाहिए, अमेंडमेंट होने चाहिए, वो आपका अधिकार है, वो तो आपने मूव नहीं किया. आपको जीराम जी के नाम से प्रॉब्लम है.
Navika ji, let me counter some.
Why
Udit
rupee has fallen? Because low manufacturing.
No,
Because
Udayji,
buying power of
I
the
think
common
the
people
way
has gone down.
Indian economy
And
is
why the
growing
capital,
under this
why
government,
high net
people of this
worth
country-
individuals are flying from India.
Okay.
Where India is going?
Okay,
And
Udit
I tell you,
Udit
brief
Raj जी,
counter.
एक मिनट थोड़ा
And
आपने
that's
बहुत
why
सारे सवाल उठाए हैं
dollar has become stronger. And these are a tangible thing has happened. You cannot deny by just mere media management. headline
Udit Raj जी-
उदित राज जी आपने
oratory,
10 सवाल
उदित-
उठाए हैं
by
थोड़ा
ED,
जवाब भी आ जाने
by
दीजिए
CBI, by ED, by income tax, or by WhatsApp University.
Udit
okay.
Rajji, you have been making the same accusations for the past 11,
You are-
12 years,
you
and
can't
people of
answer
India,
one.
we have rejected
can't
you,
answer what
have
I asked.
repeatedly rejected. Even
You
the
can't
vote chori,
answer why so.
even the vote
What I
chori
have
allegations
spoken.
have been completely
Isn't that the
dismissed
dollar has been-
by
Okay,
people
one
of
minute.
Rupee
Bihar.
has fallen.
They have.
It's not a rupee has fallen.
No, if
Isn't that it
can
has
I
pressure
now
has been
Udit
built that you will
Udit
not buy-
ji
you will not buy,
Udit ji
oil from Russia.
how election
And Trump
commissioners
has
were
said
appointed.
every time that he has Trump
this-
has-
then
Udit Raj
people will
जी-
not
Trump
make
has
any
said
sense
so
of
that
it.
Udit Raj जी
because of
बाकी
which-
भी बोलेंगे
Because he threatened.
आपके
He
अलायंस
threatened
में
to-
बाकी
to-
लोग
to
भी हैं
have a
वो भी
ceasefire.
बोलेंगे वो
Udit
भी
ji,
बोलेंगे
Where
see,
you have-
how
where you have
one
led the
second, let
country.
you listen. You have the courage to listen to other arguments. No,
You
This-
interrupted. I
don't-
did not interrupt.
Okay, now how election commissioners were appointed when the Congress was in power? Is that not a relevant question to ask?
No,
Were
you are
people
not-
who were close
but
to Ten
answer
Janpath,
this.
were
Answer
people who
this.
were in the
This
family
is the-
circle of
the
Sonia
Supreme
Gandhi
Court
ji,
judgment
were made
was
election
changed.
commissioners, and
the
their
criminal- these criminal
own
chief
successor
justices,
said
criminal
he
chief
would
commissioner.
he used to go to the next room
the-
or the bathroom to call Sonia Gandhi to find out about the
see,
dates of elections. Is this
Just
not
money
public
before us.
knowledge?
Where is
Well,
the rupee?
Okay, one
Where is
minute.
the rupee?
Okay, when you raise the issue of
Right,
election
vis-a-vis the
commission,
dollar.
so let us come back to the issue of election commission. Rupee अभी थोड़ा सा जेब में रखिए, कनी मोरी जी. Let me,
जेब में है ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
वो अब हमें-
डॉलर रख लीजिए. पर कनी मोरी जी, my question to you is, let's talk about facts. The electoral reforms, should there be reforms? No question. Yes, there should be reforms. SIR, well, it's happened 8 times before. If it is happening this time, why is there such a hullabaloo about it? Is a
Never
question.
happened.
1 minute.
SIR never happened.
Sir,
Anyway, go ahead. I've said it.
thank you for your permission, but 8 बार हो चुका है, ये आप देख लीजिएगा, facts में है. But Kanimori ji, earlier, when election commissioners were appointed, it is a part of history that they were appointed by a government order. Then there used to be 1 election commissioner. The reforms took it to 3 election commissioners, but they were also appointed by the government. I have covered for the last 35 years government and covered all of these incidents. How they were appointed by government. Prime Minister के office से जाता था President के पास. It used to go there, get ratified, and Gazette notification used to come out. And election commissioners were appointed. Then, in between, there was a Supreme Court case. The Supreme Court case said, till you frame a new law, let the Chief Justice of India be one of the members, and you can have other members and appoint. When the law was made, it was made by giving the government, the nodal ministry, and the leader of opposition. Can you call this unfair? If you want better reforms than this, well, bring the number of members of parliament, change the law. That is the only way to settle in democracy. But creating log jams and everything that was a fact before, to change that, कि ऐसा तो कभी नहीं होता था. Is that right? That is the question. For example, even in the Manrega bill, we have a problem with the name. We will not go into the content, but we have a problem in the name. And today Lok Sabha stands adjourned for the day only because they don't want to discuss this issue. Pollution, which is the biggest issue that is affecting people of India, has been sacrificed because you're standing on ego. How right is that?
Thank you, Navika. First, I would commit to you. There are 3-4 points jotted to me. Number 1, the electoral reforms. Why should it be discussed in the name of electoral reforms? Why not SIR? The government was so persistent, we would not discuss it under the name SIR. Why? What is the phobia for them? They were very, very
I'll
categorically
answer.
clear in the... Sir, please let me finish. You will have your turn to answer. They were categorically clear in both the houses, the name will not go as SIR. So that is the reason why all the opposition leaders has given a name as electoral reforms or election reforms, okay? Why? What is the allergy now? You ask us, what is the allergy of changing the name from Manrega to the other new bill name? Why do you want to change Mahatma Gandhi's name for that? You want to bring amendments? Bring it. Very cool. You want to change the amendments from 100 days to 125 days? Do it. Why change the name? What is the big hangama for you? You don't want all the bills to be named in English? Isn't India having all the languages? All the people live here with all culture and all ethnicity? Why? Every time the ruling government wants to bring the names in Hindi or in Sanskrit. What is the big hangama for them? Now, you said, what is the big hangama for SIR? SIR is something which we are talking today. They had their elections in 2024. Now we are nearly in 2025. What were they doing and sitting for the last 1.5 years? They know they are going to have elections in Bihar. They know they are going to have elections in Tamil Nadu. They know they are going to have elections in Kerala. They know they are going to have elections in West Bengal. Why last minute our preparation? Why they could have done the same process 1 year aram se? Why do you want to push it onto the people within 1 week, within 10 days? You do it on this date. You will get it done. This will not be there. And why do you take 2002 and 2005 as a year mark? What brings you there? And finally, for Tamil Nadu especially, you have brought in the 13th clause as stating that if you had voted in Bihar, you can include your name here. How right it is? You think SIR has come just like that? Let me tell you something. Let me just give you a small history of how SIR has
Scared
come.
of Bihar effect in Tamil Nadu.
Well, no, but Kanimori ji, on a lighter note, can I make an observation?
Let her speak.
1 minute. Yes, she will. I love men fighting for the
We
rights
are
of
not
women to
interrupting, but
speak. Big round
either
of
you are
applause for
interrupting
that.
or GBL ji.
Udit Raj ji is fighting for Kanimori ji's right to speak. महिलाओं को आप support कर रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा है. लेकिन आपने Kanimori ji गलती से you said आराम से, which is a Hindi word.
Sir,
आराम
yes.
से आपको आता
Navika,
है,
Navika.
राम के नाम से मुश्किल है.
Navika, one
आराम
second.
से मुश्किल
Listen.
नहीं है, राम से मुश्किल है.
Navika,
How right
let
is
me
that?
talk, Navika.
How
Just
right
don't
is
talk for
that?
claps. Just don't talk for your claps over here. And
I
you are
know.
all clapping over here. For you people over here, I would like to say, DMK is opposing imposition of Hindi and not the language. Please, all of you all get that into your minds.
I support you. I support
We
you.
are only against imposition of the language. We are not against any language. I hope everybody understands
Okay,
what I'm
Navika, I
Listen,
need a chance.
Sir, please let me finish. I haven't finished your SIR story. How you guys have evolved it so technically.
Ma'am,
Very
I need to
strong.
finish that.
Please finish your argument. Don't finish
Okay.
him.
I'm not finishing him. Always like when my colleague was talking, that time sir interrupted. When I am talking, sir is interrupting. He'll have his time, I think. I think it's fair enough for me to finish off my argument,
true,
please.
but may I also put on
just give me-
record, it's 1 versus 5.
Yeah, it's just... Ma'am, don't be that. It's not 1
No,
versus
it is.
5. They
Why
have
you
all
are
the
talking
laws with
five-
them. You are talking
five-
about the electoral
five from
reforms,
one
no?
alliance.
Why do you want to remove the Chief Justice? You could have still had him on the panel. Why do you want to remove the Chief Justice, bring the Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition, and one more Cabinet Minister? What does the Cabinet Minister has to do there? Removing the Chief Justice of India. So you mean to say Election Commission is above the judiciary? What
Can
kind of
I-
an immunity
Okay, now
is this
she's
to the
made
Election
several points. Let-
Commission?
let me-
I
okay,
really
I
don't
think- let me-
understand, Navika.
Okay.
I think you need
Okay,
to
let
say
me-
that.
And let him respond.
Say one.
GVL.
She said, why did you not debate in the name of SIR? Are you interested in one subject or are you interested in a nomenclature? But more importantly, the Speaker of Lok Sabha in the past, on several occasions, he is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. So is the Vice Chairman and the Vice President of India in the Rajya Sabha. It is they who decide what can be debated, what cannot be debated. Being a
It's a
constitutional
big-
body,
That is not
can
debate.
I, can I,
That is
can I,
not
no, I
debate.
did not.
No,
Being a
no,
constitutional
cannot
body,
debate.
you
It
cannot
Business
directly.
advisory committee.
There is,
No,
no,
not of
no,
it.
no, even
No,
when
no.
you have,
Business
can I,
has to
can I,
be-
no,
has to be
I
done.
Yes.
patiently,
No, no.
I patiently waited
No,
for
no,
my
no,
turn. Please
no,
let me
no.
complete.
You
You
are wrong.
cannot
You are wrong.
debate
You are
the
wrong.
content.
You are wrong.
Days have run over
You are
here.
wrong. Business
Ceasefire.
advisory.
Can I, You see,
Business
you see,
Advisory
Election
Committee
Commission of
has
India
to
is a
decide
constitutional
the
body,
topic, not
and
that
presiding
speaker
officers in the
on
past
his
have
own
ruled
can pick
you
up
cannot
anything in
discuss
between.
the
No.
conduct of the Election Commission of India. You cannot discuss judges of Supreme Court or High Court on
that
the
is
floor
the
of
reason you
Parliament.
have removed Chief
And
Justice
therefore,
from the panel?
Yes.
all comments, if you
That's
make
why.
any
Even
comment
the
against a
immunity to the
judge,
Election
it is
Commission.
always expunged from the
They're
records.
above the law.
They are
They're
above
above the
the-
law. Election Commission is above the law of the
They
country.
are, they are.
Like, why such kind of
No, but
immunity?
then-
Why do you
no,
want
there
to
is
put
a-
the Chief Justice?
you
Why
cannot-
should the Union
you
Cabinet
cannot
Minister
decide.
grant to it?
Election Commission is of course not above the law. There are parties
But then
that
there
have
are
taken-
conventions in Parliament.
No,
There
there
is-
are parties who have
आप
taken the
न्यायपालिका
election
की कोई
commission
इज्जत
to
नहीं
court.
करते।
आप
आप
कोर्ट
Chief
लेकर
Justice
गए
को
हैं
हटा दिया,
और
वो आप
कोर्ट
पहले
में
Chief
जो
Justice
मामला
को
है,
चर्चा नहीं
कोर्ट
क्यों
में जो
किया जा रहा
मामला
है?
है, what is present before the Supreme Court will have to be adjudicated by the Supreme Court. So how can you make a
One is
statement?
that, Navika
How
ji,
can you make
Navika
a
ji,
statement?
one is on a point of convention. Speakers have never allowed debate on Election Commission of India as an institution. Therefore,
Why?
there's no.
Why
But
can't?
then you go and ask your
can't we?
forefathers in
Parliament-
Congress
Parliament
and
is
ask them
a
why
lawmaking.
Parliament
Why can't we
convention,
debate?
Parliament,
It's a place
your
it has to be debated.
You are
Parliament
seated.
operates by
Your
convention.
If not in Parliament,
It is
where do
not-
we debate
One
this?
second,
Where
can
do
I,
we
can I,
debate?
you
Oh,
can,
we
let
cannot
me
debate.
finish.
Where
I'll
do
take
we
a minute.
debate?
Correct.
I
Let
know.
me finish.
I
will
really.
make only, I'll take half a minute. One is that on the Election Commission being a constitutional body, presiding officers will rule what can be discussed, what cannot be discussed. Number two, in terms of appointment of election commissioners, it used to happen with the diktat of the Prime Minister earlier. And now at least you have a committee of 3, including the LOP, who can at least register his protest. So this is a more transparent mechanism than what existed in the past. On the language imposition, this is a canard being spread by the DMK. The national education
you can't
policy.
say that.
Can I?
You cannot
counter.
say that. No,
the
when you're
NEP.
talking about my party,
the NEP.
I need to do it.
Can I?
Allow we are only
Allow me.
against
Have
the
the-
possession of
have
India.
the-
You
please
to
have-
understand.
please
You
have the
are just
tolerance.
saying this
One
for
second.
the local politics in Tamil Nadu. This is
And
I will
the-
give you time to counter. I
The
will
national,
give you time
you
to
please
counter.
counter me. National Education Policy 2020 clearly
Back door Hindi
recommended,
coming inside Tamil Nadu.
recommended a 3-language formula which included,
We are never for a
which
three-language
one of them
formula,
has
sir.
to be
Please
led.
understand
It
from the
does
time
not
and
say
again.
you teach Hindi. Hindi is not compulsory. You teach Telugu in Tamil Nadu.
You don't
as a
bring
third
teachers
language.
for that,
teach
and it
Kannada,
all goes for a
teach
job.
Marathi,
That is the backdoor
teach
entry of
Gujarati,
Hindi. What
teach
is the
Bihari.
backdoor entry of Hindi?
1 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, the issue here is that are we really so intolerant that we can't even hear each other's arguments? Because any debate will require the argument to be heard and then the counter to be brought.
On a lighter note, in
I think-
Parliament, when we start interrupting like this, the mics are switched off.
No,
Only one mic is
So next
allowed
time you
to.
switch
I
on.
was-
So
I
that is what you people have
Well,
done.
I
That's the
don't know.
presiding.
I'm
That's the whole
I'm not
idea of
the
BJP
I'm not
in the
the speaker.
parliament.
I'm a mere anchor who gets almost like a football from one side to another.
No, you are a
कोई
speaker.
बैन कर देता
You
है।
are a speaker, anchor both.
उदित राज जी आपकी पार्टी तो मुझे बॉयकॉट कर देती है। आप क्या ही कह रहे हैं? आप आनंद दुबे जी, आई वांट टू आस्क यू 2 सवाल है मेरे। इतने मुद्दे हैं देश के सामने एंड दैट इज व्हाट मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट एंड पार्टीज ऑल
No, I had shown documented proof and evidence in the parliament, so that's what I should be heard in the end.
You are being ignored.
Yes,
I-
because I'll come out again.
should I ignore your
no.
alliance partner and come to
No,
you
no, no,
straight?
no, I'm
I
not
was going
आगे पीछे सब बोलेंगे, no problem, no issue.
okay, I'm so
Anand.
grateful to you Rajiv Rai ji, but आनंद दुबे जी, मुद्दे इतने सारे हैं, जर्मनी में डिस्कस होंगे क्या? ये मुद्दे पार्लियामेंट यहाँ चल रहा है, BMW वहां चल रहा है, इंडिया का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यहाँ बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन वहां से देखो तो घटता हुआ नजर आता है। और आपके महाराष्ट्र के बड़े नेता, पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री रहे पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी, आपके अलायंस पार्टनर कह रहे हैं कि आर्मी को तो डिसबैंड कर दो, 12 लाख लोगों को किसी और काम पे लगा दो। आई मीन, you can't even joke about it. What does he mean by disbanding the army? What does he mean by saying कि traditional warfare अब नहीं रही है, so we don't need the army? सरहदों को खुला छोड़ दिया जाए, यही ऑपोजिशन का मुद्दा है जो डिबेट होना चाहिए पार्लियामेंट में।
नाविका जी नमस्ते, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद, सनातन धर्म की जय।
और जीराम जी बिल से आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन?
मैं आ रहा हूं। भाषा संवाद और प्रेम का विषय होता है, विवाद और नफरत का नहीं, तो हम हिंदी में बोलेगा।
बोलिए जी। बिल्कुल।
नविका मैम,
कनी मोड़ी जी से परमिशन लेना है?
नहीं, ऐसा है इस देश में 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोग हिंदी समझते और बोलते हैं, तो हम बोलेगा तो बोलेंगे कि बोलता है, तो हमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल, आप बिल्कुल बोलिए।
नविका मैम, देखिए विषय ये है कि भाग्य से आप सरकार में आते हैं और सौभाग्य से आप विपक्ष में आते हैं। हाँ, हम विपक्ष में हैं, ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी है, ज्यादा दायित्व है। आप सोचिए कि इस देश में इस समय इतने मुद्दे हैं कि उन मुद्दों को अगर हम कहते जाएं, पढ़ते जाएं, जनता के सामने लाते जाएं, तो दिन घंटे कम पड़ेंगे। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य देखिए हमारे विपक्ष का कि पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी कह रहे हैं कि पहले दिन ही हम हार गए। इस देश में हम राजनीति करने आए हैं अपने देश के लिए। देश से बड़ा कोई नहीं। जब पार्लियामेंट पर अटैक होता है, चाहे मुंबई में 26/11 होता है और चाहे पहलगाम में हमला होता है, पूरा देश इकट्ठा हो जाता है और कहता है भारत माता की जय, हाउ इज द जोश। ये होता है भारत। क्या जरूरत है विपक्ष को उस बात करने की जिसको देश पसंद नहीं कर रहा? आपने अभी एक सवाल पूछा कि बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं। डॉलर 90 रुपए के मुकाबले बढ़ गया है। पोल्यूशन इतना है कि दिल्ली में सांस लेना मुश्किल है। तंदूर, वो जो गरीब मजदूर तंदूर बनाते हैं, उसको बंद करने से पोल्यूशन कम किया जा रहा है। ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा अपने आप में खेल है, मिरेकल है। तो विषय बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन हम बात क्या करते हैं? सनातन डेंगू है। हम बात क्या करते हैं? राम मंदिर बना के क्या फायदा? हम बात करते हैं कि 12 लाख सेना की जरूरत क्या, उन्हें कोई और काम पे लगा दो। पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी नाम रखने से कोई मोहम्मद गोरी को 72 हुरों के पास नहीं भेज देता। मोहम्मद गोरी के जैसे लोगों को 72 हुरों के पास भेजने के लिए उस सेना की जरूरत होती है जो सरहद पर मुकाबला करती है।
बहुत अच्छा।
खैर, एक बहुत पुरानी कहावत है कि जाको प्रभु दारुण दिख दुख दीनी, ताकर मति पहले हर लीनी। आप समझ जाएंगे
किसकी मति हर ली है?
आपका ऑडियंस बैठा है, 140 करोड़ की देश की जनता आपका ये शो देखेगी, वो समझ जाएगी। आपने भी कहा बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं। देखिए, राहुल गांधी जी जैसा नेता होना बहुत मुश्किल से होता है। पूछो क्यों?
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 भारत का गरीब से गरीब आदमी, गरीब से गरीब किसान BMW गाड़ी कैसे चलाएगा? उसके बारे में 2025 में जाके जो आदमी देखभाल कर रहा है, वैसा नेता होना चाहिए कि नहीं? होना चाहिए कि नहीं? होना चाहिए कि नहीं भाई? अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, राहुल गांधी जी अगर ये कहते हैं कि हम ठंड से डरते हैं क्योंकि हम ठंड से डरते हैं, तो इसका मतलब हमें ठंड लगती है तो हम डरते हैं ना। उसी तरह आज पूरा विपक्ष के लिए बीजेपी सर की पार्टी कहती है कि विपक्ष से हम डरते हैं। सर, है कि नहीं दम राहुल जी में? डरते हैं ना? डरते हैं कि नहीं? डरते हैं। बोलेंगे डरता हूं।
आप डरते हैं कि नहीं?
कहने का मतलब यह है कि हम लोग के अंदर ताकत है। बीजेपी को हराया जा सकता है। जानती कैसे? बीजेपी से बेहतर बन के सुबह 4 बजे उठकर रात के 2 बजे तक काम करना पड़ेगा। हरा देंगे आपको। हरा देंगे कि नहीं? हरा देंगे कि नहीं? सिंपल सा विषय है। देवानंद साहब,
आप ऐसा है, आप गलत कह रहे हैं, इसलिए गलत कह रहे हैं। सुन लीजिए, ये गलत कह रहे हैं। लोकसभा में तेलंगाना में 1 सीट तो ओवैसी की होती है, 25 सीटें हैं वहां पर। नहीं, 17 सीटें, 17 है। 8 सीट बीजेपी जीती थी, 8 सीट कांग्रेस जीती थी लोकसभा में ईवीएम से। अब जब बैलेट से चुनाव हुआ तो बीजेपी को कितना मिला आपको जानते हैं? पता लगेगा आप कि ये 12,727 12,727 पंचायत के रिजल्ट आए, आउट ऑफ व्हिच कांग्रेस हैज गॉट 6,794, BRS 3,503 and BJP 607. Not even 10% of what BJP got in Lok Sabha.
ये
ईवीएम से जीत रहे हैं।
नहीं,
आप गलत कह रहे हैं। ईवीएम से जीत रहे हैं।
दिल्ली में देखिए,
ईवीएम से जीत
दिल्ली में,
अरे भाई ईवीएम से जीत रहे
जीतना
हैं।
चाहिए
आपको
था ना।
कहाँ से कंफ्यूजन हो गया?
दिल्ली में-
मेहनत से जीत रहे हैं तो मैनिपुलेशन से जीत रहे हैं।
दिल्ली में फिर आपके
ये
जीती
आज
है।
का रिजल्ट है।
हम हर बार लोकसभा
अरे
जीतते
भाई,
हैं तो
जो-
हर बार असेंबली
जो
राजीव राय
आठ
जी,
आठ
तो राजीव
लोकसभा
राय
का
जी,
चुनाव
तो
जीता
मुझे
हो
राजीव
और
राय जी,
पंचायत
फिर
में
मुझे
उत्साह
बता
हो जाए।
दीजिए,
पंचायत में
पिछले लोकसभा
पंचायत
चुनाव
में
का-
6% भी नहीं मिला। जो लोकसभा में मिला पंचायत में 10% भी नहीं मिला। इसका
राजीव
मतलब
राय
चोरी
जी,
से जीत रहे
राजीव
हैं,
राय-
मेहनत से नहीं जीत रहे। आप गलत कह रहे हो भाई।
अच्छा,
आप
मेहनत से
गलत
नहीं
कह रहे
जीत
हो।
रहे,
चोरी से जीत रहे हैं। SIR से जीत रहे हैं, वोट काट के जीत रहे हैं।
ऐसे ही गलतफहमी में रहिए, हम बहुत सुरक्षित हैं।
अरे भाई, इसका जवाब दो ना।
अगले
तेलंगाना
50 साल
में-
तक हम सुरक्षित हैं।
आनंद
गलत
तुम
फहमी
पहले
में
से
रहिए।
लोगे जवाब, लेकिन
जिस दिन
राजीव राय
बैलेट-
जी,
जिस दिन
उदित
बैलेट
राय
पेपर
जी,
से
एक मिनट,
जिस
उदित
दिन
राय जी,
बैलेट पेपर और सही वोटर लिस्ट से
अगर
होगा,
आप-
आप विपक्ष में बैठेंगे, कांग्रेस सत्ता में बैठेगी, राहुल गांधी प्राइम
जरूर
मिनिस्टर बनेंगे।
बैठिएगा।
उस
वो दिन देखने
जिस
के
दिन
लिए
ये
पूरा
बेईमानी
देश
से चुनाव
इंतजार
जीत
कर
रहे
रहा
हैं।
है। लेकिन राजीव राय जी, 2000 चुनाव
आपको पता नहीं आज ही का रिजल्ट है, आप देख लीजिए।
2024 का चुनाव जो है वो ईवीएम से हुआ था कि बैलेट से
और
हुआ
जब
था?
मोदी
और
जी कहे कि
समाजवादी
हवाई चप्पल वाला भी
2017 के
चलेगा।
विधानसभा
विदेश में
कैसे हुआ
मोदी
था?
जी
उदित
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग
राज
की
जी,
बात नहीं
2012
करेंगे।
का
राहुल
कैसे
जी
हुआ
कह रहे हैं तो आपको तकलीफ आ रही है।
उदित राज जी, राजीव राय जी भी जीत कर आए हैं, जीत कर आए हैं और उन्हें भी बोलने
नहीं,
का
उनका
मौका
भी वही व्यू है जो हमारा व्यू है, उनको
आप-
भी हराया है।
तो वो बोल लेंगे ना अपने आप। राजीव राय जी, 2024 का चुनाव ईवीएम से हुआ था कि बैलेट से हुआ था?
Thank you,
पहले
नाविका।
नंबर 1। नंबर 2, अगर ये ईवीएम से हुआ था तो आपकी पार्टी ने इतना बेहतर कैसे किया था? अब रोज रोज सुबह उठ के ईवीएम को गाली देना, उदित राज जी के सुर से सुर मिलाना, ये आपकी लड़ाई है देश में, या आपकी लड़ाई देश में जनता के मुद्दों
राजू
की
राजी
है?
पहले 10 सेकंड। जब 37 सीट समाजवादी पार्टी जीती थी, पहले बार जब पार्लियामेंट में अखिलेश यादव जी आए, कहा भले हम जीते हैं लेकिन ईवीएम से चुनाव नहीं होना चाहिए। अखिलेश यादव जी का स्टेटमेंट। अब आगे।
थैंक यू नाविका। आपको याद आया कि मैं भी यहाँ हूँ और तब से
थैंक
मैं
यू उदित राज जी, बोल दीजिए।
और तब से मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा हूँ।
नहीं,
तो अब नहीं, मैंने तो किसी के बीच में नहीं बोला, एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट द सेम थिंग। तब से मैं सोच रहा था, याद नहीं आया, क्योंकि जो हॉट इश्यू पर बहस हो रहा था तब से, उसका अकाट्य सबूत आई हैव गिवन राइट फ्रॉम द सड़क से लेकर सदन तक। पार्लियामेंट में खड़ा होकर जो लोग ताली बजा रहे थे, एक बार इस पर भी ताली बजा दीजिए कि पार्लियामेंट में खड़ा होकर मैंने वो कागज दिखाया। भारतीय जनता पार्टी हर बात पर बोलती है कि कागज दिखाओ, कागज दिखाओ। आई एम स्पीकिंग माई लैंग्वेज बिकॉज मेरे वोटर समझने चाहिए क्या मैं बोल रहा हूं,
बिल्कुल।
है ना। कागज दिखाओ। आपको आश्चर्य होगा, यहां तो यंग जनरेशन नहीं है, मैंने एक विधानसभा के एसआईआर से ठीक 1 महीना पहले, एसआईआर तो बाद में शुरू हुआ, इलेक्शन कमीशन के कागज दिखाए कि 15,000 वोट डिलीट कर दिए गए। अब डिलीशन में बहुत कैटेगरी है। नाविका ने एप्लीकेशन दिया एआर को कि नाविका का वोटर लिस्ट से नाम डिलीट किया जाए, तो रीजन भी देना पड़ता है। उसमें नाविका ने लिखा क्योंकि नाविका भारत की नागरिक नहीं है इसलिए इनका नाम डिलीट कर दिया जाए। मैंने वो कागज भी दिखाया, वो कागज भी दिखाया। और कागज खाली सदन में नहीं दिखाया नाविका जी, आप तब से एसआईआर की बहस करवा रही थी ना, वो सच है। वो सच ये कड़वा है कि उस सबूत को मैंने सबसे पहले डीएम को दिया, उसके बाद सीईओ यूपी को दिया। मेरा घर 42 अशोका रोड है, 5वां मकान चुनाव आयुक्त का है, हेडक्वार्टर है, मैंने वहां दिया। हमारी पार्टी ने मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त को, चुनाव आयोग को लेटर लिखा कि आई हैव एविडेंस।
18,000 है।
नहीं नहीं, अभी मैं इसकी बात कर रहा हूं सर, अभी अक्टूबर की बात कर रहा हूं। हमारी पार्टी ने लेटर लिखा चुनाव आयोग को कि हमारे पास सबूत है कि नागरिकता के आधार पर भी वोट डिलीट कर दिया गया है, जो आदमी जिंदा है और उसी ने लिख कर दिया कि मैं नागरिक नहीं हूं। ये रिफ्यूजी खोज। चुप नरसिम्हा राव जी
मैं
बोलिएगा।
वेट कर रहा हूँ, वेट आप पूरा
नहीं, बेचैनी समझ रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
सच इतना कड़वा होता है ना कि
कड़वा
बर्दाश्त करने
नहीं,
की भी ताकत चाहिए।
सच का कोई आधार नहीं है।
आप ही थे ना कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए थे और किताब लिख दिए थे कि ईवीएम कितना खतरनाक है देश
हाँ,
के लिए,
मैं
कोई और नहीं था।
बोलूंगा
ये
इस पर।
देख लीजिएगा ध्यान से।
बताऊंगा।
मैंने लेटर लिखा, चुनाव आयोग ने जवाब 5 दिन नहीं किया। अखिलेश आधार खाली आप लोगों का होता है, रिकॉर्ड तोड़ते हैं ना, मोदी आधार थोड़े होता है। आधार तो 4 घंटा और अगर नहीं काउंटिंग नहीं करवाए रुकवाए होते ना तो मोदी जी पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री होते। सुन लीजिए, आधार ये होता। हाँ सुन लीजिए, सुन लीजिए, सबूत पर बात दे रहा हूं। इलेक्शन कमीशन लखनऊ से आता है कि मैं पार्लियामेंट है उस दिन कि पार्लियामेंट छोड़कर लखनऊ आइए। हमने लिखा कि पार्लियामेंट चल रहा है, मैं सांसद हूं, पार्टिसिपेट करना है, इधर यू गिव मी टाइम इन दिल्ली or you ask me to come there on Saturday and Sunday, I am more than happy. Till today they have not replied. और सबूत चीख चीख कर बता रहे हैं। ये SIR पर डिस्कशन हो गया, बिल पास हो गया, आप इसे फेयर समझती हैं?
नहीं,
ये
मैं मानती हूँ कि अगर आपके पास तथ्य हैं तो
नहीं,
आपकी सुनवाई इलेक्शन कमीशन में नहीं है तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो
हाँ,
खुला है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं जान रहा था आप आएंगे। मैं जान रहा था कि जिस बात का हिंदुस्तान में दुनिया के सबसे बड़े बड़े डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में जिस बात की सुनवाई कहीं नहीं है, तो हर बात का जवाब होगा कि आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाइए तो प्रधानमंत्री को
राजीव जी कितने मौका दिया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, इलेक्शन कमीशन।
आप परेशान क्यों हो रहे हैं? आदमी के बीच में बोलेंगे? आप खामोश रहिए, आप चुप रहिए, आप चुप रहिए।
भाई इनको बोलने दीजिए, आप इनको बोलने
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में दम नहीं है।
आप बोलने दीजिए।
जो उदाहरण दिए बिहार में एक उदाहरण को गलत साबित
भाई आप सुनने की
कंप्लेंट को
नाविका जी इनको कहिए
निकाल पाए, केवल ड्रामा कर रहे हैं। यही ड्रामा
सबसे बड़ा ड्रामा
ने यही बोला है, ड्रामा करते हैं ताकि लोगों को भ्रमित किया जाए। लोग आपको रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, लोगों को भ्रमित करने के लिए आप इस प्रकार की
इंतजार करिए। जैसे हमने लोकसभा में रिजेक्ट किया है वैसे रिजेक्ट करते हैं विधानसभा में।
हाँ देखिए, आपको चुनौती है उत्तर प्रदेश में।
देखिए आप इनको बोलने दीजिए।
चुनाव से बड़ी
नाविका जी
like this, no one can hear anybody.
1 minute। राजीव राय जी अपनी बात खत्म करेंगे पहले, उसके बाद। हाँ, मैं कह तो रही हूँ, मैं आपको
गिव मी 5 सेकंड।
यस सर।
एक आदमी से पूछे, मैं किसी के बीच में इंटरप्ट किया?
नहीं, आपको समय दे रही हूँ मैं।
दे रहा हूँ तो आपके बगल में बैठ कर
बिल्कुल
हो रही है।
आप अपनी जीवीएल जी लेट हिम
आप डिसाइड करेंगे पूरा हो गया।
कमिंग बैक टू यू,
आप डिसाइड करेंगे।
नहीं, यू मेक योर पॉइंट, आई विल गिव यू 40 more seconds।
ओह सो काइंड ऑफ यू। आई एम सो काइंड।
समय
मैं
चलता रहता है।
नहीं, गाड़ी तो खाली हमारे बारे में
Even the house is on. Go to parliament.
मैंने एविडेंस दिए, अब ये बोल रहे हैं कि आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाइए, तो सारी संस्थाओं को बंद कर दीजिए। जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के बारे में जजमेंट दिया था कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन किसी में, तो रातों रात इन्होंने बदल दिया, तो तब वह सुप्रीम कोर्ट याद नहीं आया? कितना सुप्रीम कोर्ट का रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं ये। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया था ना।
Well, you don't have faith in the issues of the election commission, whatever.
Heads up to you, Navika. Heads up to you, Navika. Heads up to you, Navika.
नाविका मैम,
I have given evidence.
अभी बात हुई कि ईवीएम और वोट चोरी की। थोड़ा सा 5 सेकंड कुछ कहना चाहूंगा। हमारे बगल में टीएमसी की सांसद बैठी हैं, 10 साल से बीजेपी साम दाम दंड भेद लगा रही है, वही ईवीएम है, वही वोटर हैं, वही पार्टियां हैं, इनको हरा नहीं पा रही।
देखिए ऐसा है, सत्ता पक्ष भी जानता है कि कहीं छोड़ देना पड़ेगा, नहीं लोगों को शक हो जाएगा।
तो आप लोग
रहम पर
समझ गए आप?
कहीं पर छोड़
वो जहाँ चाहते वो जिता देते हैं, जहाँ चाहते हरा देते हैं।
डू यू विन?
और ये जो अभी तेलंगाना का एग्जाम्पल आया उसका क्या हुआ? जो बीजेपी को 10% भी वोट नहीं मिला, जो लोकसभा में मिला उसका 10% भी नहीं मिला। जब बैलेट पेपर से हर जगह बीजेपी क्यों हारती भाई? क्यों हारती है? आप देखिए महाराष्ट्र में भी, हरियाणा में भी, बिहार में भी पोस्टल बैलेट पेपर से हर जगह हारते हैं।
आप क्यों नहीं जीत जाते हैं बंगाल में?
हर जगह हारते हैं।
आप क्यों नहीं जीत जाते बंगाल में?
इनकी बात कह रहा हूँ।
सुष्मिता जी,
Very briefly, I want to say 2 things. It's not like Bengal Mamata is winning. Even in Karnataka, Congress has won, and Himachal, Congress has won. What I believe the problem, electoral roles are always reviewed. And Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister's stand is very clear. She is not against SIR. But every time an intensive revision happens, more than 7 crore people have to submit forms. The last time it happened in Bengal in 2002, it took 2 years to do it. So when you do it in 2 months, the underprivileged, the poor, the not so educated people face severe problem. If the same process had been done over 1 year, it would not have been a problem. That is her argument. Secondly, this whole thing about Ji Ramji, we have no problem with Ram, Kali, Lakshmi, any goddess. But our objection is, why did they feel the need to remove Mahatma Gandhi's name? And Bengal has a specific...
Godse inspires them.
Yes, Godse
Let me
inspires.
just finish.
Go-
After
go-
that, I'll have to leave now. The second
आपने
thing is...
महात्मा गांधी
अरे
जी को
बोलने
पहले
तो दीजिए।
मारा गया, अब नाम भी हटाया जा रहा है।
शांत
राष्ट्रपिता का
उन्हें भी
नाम
बोलने दीजिए
And
member of-
second thing is, Mahatma. This name was given by Rabindranath Tagore to the father of
and सुभाष चंद्र बोस।
Second thing, एक मिनट बोलने दीजिए. Second thing, please understand, NREGS is 100 days jobs guarantee, which has become 125 days now. Admitted, GVLG. But the fact is, अगर किसी प्रदेश में 40 लाख लोग भी ये मांगे उनको देना पड़ता था. अब भारत सरकार कहती है कि कितने लोगों को देंगे वो भारत सरकार तय करेगी. It is no longer a demand driven
Sushmita
scheme.
ji,
That's that
from the
injustice.
Exactly.
That's my view.
अब कानून
But
नहीं रह गया,
Sushmita
अब ये
ji,
योजना है।
Is the opposition
It's no
willing
longer
to
a law.
debate the merits of the bill, or will they only object to the name of the bill as the
They are-
Congress
No.
is?
There are two
Both,
objections.
both.
We have
That's right.
severe objections
Both.
to
Both.
changing Mahatma Gandhi's name, removing it, and we have ये कोई देखिए जिस देश में इतनी बेरोजगारी है, okay, 100 days job guarantee was to secure the poorest of the poor.
Okay.
अब guarantee
And now
नहीं है।
government is not
GVL
paying for that
Narasimha Rao,
anymore.
please respond.
You see, when the when the NREGS bill was passed, उस समय जो भारत में जो गरीबी की जो संख्या है, there is a भारी गिरावट आई है।
अरे
पिछले 15 साल
80 करोड़ लोगों को 5 किलो अनाज पर जिंदा रखे हो।
80 करोड़
गरीबी
लोग
चली गई।
अब तो 80 करोड़ लोग
You-
80 करोड़ लोग 5 किलो राशन पर हैं, तो ज्यादा गरीबी हो गई।
CBL या समाजवादी will give you back.
complete.
80 करोड़ लोगों को 5 किलो अनाज पर
अब तो
जिंदा
और ज्यादा
किए,
गरीब हो गया।
चले गए।
80 करोड़ हो गए गरीब।
Poverty levels have
80 करोड़ लोगों को
drastically
5 किलो
come
अनाज
down.
क्यों दे रहे हो?
Number two,
80 करोड़
there is
लोगों को
a
5
need
किलो
to
अनाज पर
create
जिंदा रखे हो।
infrastructure
80
as
करोड़
per the
लोगों को
national
5 किलो
गरीबी
अनाज पर
कम हो
जिंदा
गई।
रखे हो, गरीबी चली गई।
भारत-
अरे गरीबी
अरे
कम हो
गरीबी
गई।
चली
बार
गई।
भाई बार।
बार है गरीबी।
सुन लीजिए,
इससे
सुन
बड़ा
लीजिए,
झूठ
राजीव
क्यों?
जी।
No, I'll give him back. You because we are supposed, we'll give you back.
बिल्कुल,
You
this
did
is
not
the-
allow.
Then
This is
we'll have a
this
shouting
is-
match. No
This
problem.
is a
Let's have a
democracy
shouting
of
match.
tit for tat.
Navika,
So please,
I had
I'm
a
not
lot
No,
coming
for-
here.
I had a
I
lot of points to make. You did not give me enough time. I had a point to make about EBM. I had a point to make about Manrega. I had a point to make about
You
this,
should
this
make.
thing. You did not allow me.
Please.
I will give him back.
Okay.
80 करोड़.
They do not. They want whatever they have done during a tenure.
झूठ बोल
Even
रहे हो, दे
if
सुनता
even if
रहेगा।
that scheme
झूठ
needs
बोल रहे हो।
modifications,
God
they
से
think
के
it's
लोग
their
गांधी के नाम से
jagir. They
नफरत
think it's
करते
their
हैं।
birthright.
God से
No
के लोग
changes
गांधी
can
के
be
नाम से
made.
नफरत करते
No
हैं।
no
जिंदा
modifications
आदमी को
can be
मार
made.
देते हो।
Prime Minister
जिंदा आदमी
Narendra
को मार
Modi
देते हो।
ji is
कहाँ-
working
कहाँ गए
towards
घुसपैठी
a
है?
dream of
कहाँ गए
Viksit
घुसपैठी
Bharat.
है?
And
कहाँ गए
every
घुसपैठी है?
resource
Why-
needs to be
घुसपैठी कहाँ गए?
utilized.
My issue here is that, of course, there are many issues that need to be debated. But is the current parliament actually debating it? Are we only scoring political brownie points and addressing our constituencies constantly? Or are we in a position where we sit together, thrash out issues that are for the betterment of the nation? I'm raising this point as a citizen of India because we actually make the link between the politicians, the members of parliament, and the people of India. And I see जीराम जी के बिल पे आपके नाम पे प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए पॉल्यूशन की डिबेट नहीं होगी। क्या ये सही है? क्या ये सही है कि पार्लियामेंट के सेशन में हम जर्मनी चले जाते हैं और वहां जाकर
प्रधानमंत्री
प्राइम
गाली पे हाथ
मिनिस्टर
उठा रहे हैं।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो देश को
प्रधानमंत्री
चला रहा है,
वेयर इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर
जो देश को चला रहा है,
वेयर इज द प्राइम
राहुल
मिनिस्टर
गांधी जी देश
द
को
मैन
चला
हु
रहे
हैज
हैं।
टू रन द कंट्री इज
राहुल
मिसिंग फ्रॉम
गांधी
द
जी
कंट्री
देश को चला रहे हैं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर
Will
चला
you
रहे हैं।
Where is the
equate-
Prime
अरे
Minister?
will you-
इतना बेशर्मी
You know, there is the
का-
whole
इतना
government
beशर्मी
there
का
to
पास
answer
करते
to your
हैं। Where is
questions,
the
but
Prime
you
Minister?
will equate
And
Rahul
why-
Gandhi
why
to the
should-
Prime Minister.
And
Well,
the Prime Minister, very often Prime Minister is
no,
always
regional
absent
parties,
from
if
the Parliament.
they didn't support
Then
the
why-
Congress
why-
party, where would
then
the
who is
Congress
there to
party
take
be?
the question?
But
Prime
ladies and
Minister is
gentlemen,
missing sometime to country.
ladies and gentlemen,
The man who has to run the country is missing from the country. The opposition leader is gone abroad.
my
It has
friend,
become a big news.
he's possibly
Opposition
running the
leader-
country even when he's traveling
opposition-
abroad.
oh,
But is
leader of
Rahul
opposition
Gandhi
क्या
doing
देश
the
चला
same?
रहा है?
That
I
is
leave
what
it to
private
the
chला रहे
people
हैं.
of
What
India.
you are?
Department-
That is the
the Prime
When it
Minister
comes,
of India today.
when it
I am
comes to
saying-
politics, well, you see, this is the democracy, the noisy democracy that we have in India. I love it. Do you love it? Can we improve it? Can we improve it? Who should improve it?
Media,
We the-
media is the first.
आपकी responsibility कुछ नहीं, सब कुछ
media is
media
the
ठीक कर
first.
देंगे। Well,
Media is to
well,
be
on that
corrected
note,
first.
I'm completely out on
This
time.
biased
Thank you very
media-
much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the debate, and many, many thanks to our panelists who have taken the time to come here. Thank you, and can we have a group photo?